How many people do you know who spend money? You might be thinking, well, that's an odd question. Everybody spends money. Okay, here's another question. Out of everybody that spends money, how many of them do you think use a debit card? I know, another odd question, but follow me here. I promise there's a purpose. Did you know that every single time someone uses their debit card to purchase groceries, clothes, dinner, pay bills, etc., the company you're doing business with is charged a processing fee by their merchant account? Now, a merchant account is a bank that processes your transactions and passes the money from your bank account to the company's bank account you are doing business with. In doing so, the merchant account takes a small percentage for this service. Here's another question for you. How would you like to earn commissions anytime someone swipes their debit card? No matter what they're buying or paying for, you would earn a commission. Sound interesting? I thought so. Introducing rNETWORK, a revolutionary company that is changing the way the people of the world understand money and how it works. Here's a short video that explains the revolutionary new product.
We're about to change your financial world. Is it cool? Yeah. Is it convenient? Absolutely. Will it change the way you live? We think so. Welcome to rNETWORK's new REV card, the last card you will ever need. Check out the power pack technology of REV card. REV card is the first card to offer an OLED touchscreen. It also includes a biometric fingerprint reader and dynamic EMV chip for unmatched security. Authorize purchases with your fingerprint or through the connected phone app. We've even packed in a mic, speaker, Bluetooth antenna, and GPS chip built right into a card. And it's still the same thickness as a standard credit card. Use it as a standalone card or connect your phone app via the Bluetooth antenna. With all this technology, you'll enjoy a level of convenience and security that no other card can offer. Load multiple cards onto the REV card and consolidate everything into one. Gift cards, store loyalty cards, bank cards, and more. Simply choose which card to use and complete your purchase. With REV card, you get access to discounts and rewards from over 300,000 partner businesses worldwide, from hotels to restaurants to retail stores. Names like Hilton, Marriott, Coldstone, Domino's, Famous Footwear, Subway, and more. Receive discounts with a single swipe. With the built-in GPS chip, REV card recognizes where you're at and shares relevant offers. No need to search for coupon codes or shop for deals. Earn points and rewards on qualifying transactions and then redeem at participating merchants. Need to split dinner or send cash to a friend? Easy enough. Instantly transfer money to any REV card holder. Deposit or withdraw cash at over 1 million ATM locations. Pay bills, direct deposit, shop online, all through the power of REV card. Now for the best part. As a charter member of rNETWORK, not only will you earn rewards and discounts on your own REV card purchases, but you'll also earn every time someone in your network swipes. The more they swipe, the more you earn. So don't wait. Become a charter member, start building your network, and start earning.
Pretty amazing, right? And this is just one of the many products to be offered by rNETWORK. Becoming an rNETWORK charter member gives you access to a whole suite of products and services that not only will help you save money, but will also give you the opportunity to earn commissions for helping people save money as well. This truly is a win-win for everybody. So I'll ask you again, how many people do you know who spend money? And how many people do you think they know who spend money? Are you starting to see the big picture here? In order to start sharing this amazing service with others, you must first become an rNETWORK charter member. This gets you access to the rNETWORK suite of products and services and the ability to begin referring others to rNETWORK. Refer only 3 charter members in your first 30 days, and your monthly subscription is covered. That's right, no more out of pocket. Our goal is to help you succeed and support you in every way we can. If you're ready to get started right now, click on the Get Started button below. Thank you again for taking the time today to learn about this exciting and incredible opportunity with rNETWORK, and we look forward to working with you.